All right. Good evening to all the grade 12 students. This is your vani ma'am back again with one more video. So today actually I'm traveling back to Delhi, students. That's the reason I'm going to send you the most important video. That's nothing but your 250 MCQs of alcohols, phenols and ethers. So yesterday what did we learn? We have learned a video that's nothing but your the basic one shot revision or one page revision for your alcohols, correct? So one page revisions was there in that, mechanisms were there in that, name reactions was there in that, isn't it? So with that video, what is advantage? You will be getting complete analysis of the chapter. Point number one, mechanisms are for 3 marks. That also you will get. Name reactions are for 3 marks, so total 6 marks are covered in that. So in today's video, I'm going to send you just immediately, as I said, I'll be sending you 250 MCQs of alcohols, phenols and ethers. So alcohols, phenols and ethers chapter, as I told you, it has a lot of twisted questions. So some questions based on acidity, some questions based on increasing and decreasing water in the physical properties, some questions based on the name reactions like that. 250 MCQs is what I'm going to send you in your Telegram channel. So please join the Telegram channel, which is kept in the description, and you can directly download the PDF. That's point number two. And one more big surprise I'm going to give you, students. So day after tomorrow, when I send you a video, I'll be sending you a big surprise. So please wait for that. As I said, Vani ma'am will not leave your hand till your board examinations are over. Then comes your NEET preparation, your JEE preparation also. Nothing to worry. Only one concept is Vani ma'am believes in providing free education. So she needs your support. Yes, I want all of you to share the video, like the video as much as you can. Reason, students, more and more thumbs ups you give, more and more visibility would be there in the channel. Yes, so please like the video. And don't worry about your exams. If anybody is feeling low, if you feel that you're not able to overcome the fear, talk to me. You send me all your queries to my mail ID, you know, right? It is given in the about section. Send me your mail. I'll read even so many letters. How many ever you send, I'm going to read. Don't worry. Only thing you should remember, hard work. Yes, all the girls who are watching me, you can send me your queries. All the boys who are watching me, you can send me. I request all the parents, the many parents who be sending me mails. So I request all of you to send me the mails, talk to me, and nothing, relax yourself. All right, students, so get ready. I hope you're studying. Till now, I have completed board preparation for solutions. I have completed board preparations for T&F block. I have completed board preparations for haloalkanes. I have completed board preparations for electrochemistry. Yes, so now it's time for me to start with alcohols, which I did yesterday. As I'm traveling to Delhi, it'll one day time I need break. So day after tomorrow, from day after tomorrow, all the uploads will be regular again. All right, so I'll be waiting for your mails. If you're feeling low, remember Vani ma'am is there for you all without expecting anything. But one thing I'll expect. What is that? Your smile, students. Your smile. All right. Chalo. Join me. So wish me happy journey because I'm traveling today. See you again. But today I'll be sending you around night 10 o'clock or the 250 MCQs. So sit the whole night, finish off 250 MCQs. So wait for the surprise. I'll be sending a special video after tomorrow. Bye-bye. Take care. Keep sending me your mails. I'll be waiting for them. Bye, students.